If you ever have the opportunity to teach online classes, let me give you two super huge tips that are going to help you. That's coming from me, an educator and somebody who teaches online and offline. So one, include less than you think you need to. It's much better to either section it into smaller pieces or teach people less in a powerful way than to fire hose them with everything and be like, sorry, it's so much, but this is all you needed to know. I used to believe it was better to give everyone everything they needed, but it's actually overwhelming to fire hose people with information. So that's number one. Number two, and both of these came out of a class I'm taking this week. If your teaching persona and presentation is radically different than how you present yourself online, people are going to be disappointed or surprised. The class I'm taking, the woman is so different than how she is on her email list, on her socials, all of that. Frankly, it's boring me to tears. And I think it's because she wants to pack it full of information. I love her emails. I love her online presence. In this teaching environment, I will never take another class from her. I don't care if it's the exact thing I need to learn. It's so bad that I cannot do it. Also, and this is the irony about online courses and business and all of that. So I majored in education. Education is not simply handing information over to somebody else. There's more to it involved than that, than just giving people information. There's actually processes and techniques to education that a lot of people don't know. So please do us all a favor and be the same way in your private classes that you are online. Then we know what to expect. If we don't know what to expect, it's quite likely a person like myself will show up to a class and be disappointed because you're totally different than you were in how you presented yourself before. This is also one of the reasons I love to share these videos with you, because you get a feel for what I'm really like. You know that this is me. This is not like the posturing me. This is as real as I can be with you.